Today we're going to learn how to use autoclicker on Android. So if you have to click on one particular point or several points on your screen on Android, then you can easily download an autoclicker from the Play Store. Open up your Play Store and search for autoclicker automatic tap. And you just download this application onto your phones. Now once the app has been downloaded, you can open it up. And you'll need to toggle on a few settings on your phone. Once you've done that, you can now head back and you can see there are two options, the single target mode and the multi-target mode. Single target mode has only one target and clicks on one place only, and multi-target mode taps on multiple places. So you can choose your option. A menu will open up like this, where if you tap on this plus, a target will open up. Now you can just move your target where you want to be and where you want to click, and repeat the same process. Tap on the plus again and then move your clicker. If you don't want a particular target, you can just tap on this minus and that target will be removed. If you tap on the settings, there are a few settings that you can manage. There are three options basically: run indefinitely, amount of time, and number of cycles. So if you want to keep tapping it continuously, choose the first option, or you can also select a timer or the number of cycles. For now, I'm going to choose the first option and then tap on save. Once you added in the targets, now you can just tap on this play and the targets will start to tap. So that's how you use an autoclicker on your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more of these videos, also make sure to turn on that notification. That's pretty much it for today, and I'll see you in the next one.